Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, what is the scope of local variables in Java? Let me answer. The scope of the local variables in Java is up to the methods in which they are declared or created. We cannot access these local variables outside the method in which they are declared. Okay, only within the method where they are declared we can access the local variables. So the scope of the local variables is up to the method in which they are declared or created in simple terms. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you so that you will be able to understand the answer for this question in a better way. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and create a new class. I'll just simply name this class as local variable scope. Okay. I'm just giving some random name. Click on finish. Once I create this class, inside this class, I'm going to create a method, public void sample1 method, I'll say. Okay. And I'll create one more method or two more methods, public void sample2, then public void sample3, etc., etc. Some sample3 methods I created. In one of the method, let's say in sample1 method, I'll create or declare a variable. So int a is equal to 10, let's say. Okay. Now this variable is a local variable. Okay. Any variable that is declared inside a method is nothing but a local variable, and the scope of this variable till where you can access this variable within the method only you can access. For example, if I say system.out.println, if I try to print the value of a, okay, you see no error is coming, it will be printed. That's fine. Okay. Now if I try to access the same variable outside this method, okay, this variable is declared inside the sample1 method, but I'm trying to access this variable outside the method, let's say in sample2 method, system.out.println a. You see, I'm getting an error. Okay, I'm getting an error, guys. A cannot be resolved to a variable. I'm kind of error I'm getting. Okay, so this is a problem, guys. This is a problem. You cannot access the local variable. Okay, outside the method in which they are declared. Up to the method only the scope of the variable will be. Okay, so if you want to access a particular variable throughout the class, then the variable should be declared at the class level outside the methods. Okay, this is not a local variable, guys. This is a global variable. Okay, global variable. If you create a global variable, the global variable scope is up to the class level, but local variable scope is up to the method only. Okay, in which it is declared or created, but global variable which is declared or created directly under the class can be accessed anywhere. For example, here if I try to access B, you see no error will come. Only for A error is coming, but for B error is not coming. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. The scope of the local variable is up to the method in which it is declared or created. Okay. So unlike global variables, the local variable scope is up to the method in which they are declared or created, but global variables you can access throughout the class. Okay. So with practical demonstration, hope you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.